Welcome to 2 Alpha Auto, where we work on cars and stuff. So today we're going to do a little bit of work on the Mustang. We got the starter here that we're going to install in that nice clean engine we got in there. I'm getting, this is our new starter, a little more low profile. But yeah, let's get started. At this point during the installation, I realized I was going to need to clock the starter. Learned that term from a friend that's a mechanic. Done this for 20 years. Didn't know there was a term for it. Thought the starter from Tough Stuff was going to mount up directly, but we have to clock it, which is just changing the mounting plate to a position that will allow us to bolt directly up. Don't forget the starter, dummy. Alright, as you saw, the starter doesn't mount up properly, so I'm going to try and change the mounting plate positioning. So you got one right there and two on the outside. I'm going to try and change the positioning of this plate. Hopefully it mounts up and we can actually get it on there. So as you can see, it's machined in multiple spots, so you can change it. So got under the car, took a Sharpie, retest fit the damn thing, and marked where they line up. So now all we gotta do is get the shims back on, which is this little metal piece in between here. Get all our hardware reinstalled after we line everything back up properly. Now that we have the starter reclocked, we can go ahead and get it installed. In the video, you'll notice some struggling with tools in the bottom of the bolt installation. What has happened here is I should have grabbed my stubby 1/2 inch for the top bolt, as you typically don't have a lot of room for on any engine for at least one of the starter bolts. The second thing that happened is the bottom bolt hole on my bell housing was apparently stripped out by the previous owner. Bell housings are typically made of aluminum, and it does not take a lot of force to tighten a bolt down, so refrain from using the force of God on them. I did luck out though, and was able to find a longer bolt with the same threads to get past the damaged threads and secure the starter. That was the install of our Tough Stuff starter and the clocking process to get it to fit. If you have any questions about products or details, see the description below. If you have any questions about things we used in the video, just let us know.